This is the survey step video. If you skip the landing page video, go watch it first so this actually makes sense.
So now let's take a look at the survey, right? So now, as I said, we have created previously a survey for us to be using in the landing page. So now let's take a quick look on where and how to create a survey. Okay, so here we're back on the top menus. There's a section called Surveys, Builder, and then I have already my survey created. It's very simple. The way that the survey is created here, you have slides. So on each slide, you can add the questions that are of your interest. In this case, the first one, well, in this case, I'm adding just a slide here for you to see that if you need a new slide between two pages, you can just add it like that. But the first one, so I just added a full name, phone, email, right? So and also I added obviously an image for the logo. So here, if you wanted to add another one, you can. In this case, I'm okay with the full name, phone, and email, and the logo. Next slide, asking about the page and what is the location. And I'm using radio buttons, right, to get a precise answer. So all this configuration of your survey also has to do with the logic that we will be implementing here. So I will show you the logic in a second too. So here we have the question of that will qualify or disqualify the student if they have funding available for them to invest in a program of this matter. And so anyways, it's like any other survey or form that you could be doing also in using different software. Well, the advantage is that GoHighLevel has everything at one place, right? So you forget about that headache of APIs and all this connecting all the different applications. So in here, all the information is already living in the CRM in GoHighLevel. So let's take a quick look at the survey, right? So the first, here you need to redirect to URL, and the redirect is going to be towards your calendar. So let's take a look at the logic. So in here, I'm using one of the answers where how much money they're willing to invest. So I'm putting the options 4 to 5,000, 5 to 10, and then over 10,000. And the redirect in here, you need to have the link of your previously created calendar. So if the conditions of the logic are true, then you're telling GoHighLevel to go to this link. Now we're going to test the link real fast. So the conditions are met, then the viewer will be taken to this other screen. Right? And this is where we want them to go if they are qualified, so then they can book their discovery call. So it's very basic and straightforward. So you just pick what are the conditions that you want them to be met, and if they are met, then the user is taken to, in this case, the calendar. And the calendar, well, you have a link, a URL that you populate in there, and then the user will be taken there.
You're done with the survey. Now watch the next video where I walk you through setting up your GHA calendar the right way.